So for today's video, magtatanim kami ng aming cherry tree dito sa likod ng aming backyard. So ayan. Andyan din si Puma. Ayan. Ayan. This is our cherry tree. Ayan. Ayan yung aming cherry tree. I think 1 year ago already.
You're pretty close to it.
So, ito yung aming cherry tree. You need to cut the bag. Don't take it out because it can destroy the roots. I just take the, what you call this? So, may badge na siya already to flower soon. So, ayan na guys. Tatanim na namin yung aming cherry. Yung variety pala niya is, what's the variety? Cherry Lapin. Cherry Lapin. Ayan yung variety niya. It's a Cherry Lapin. Resistant for cracking. Large and dark red firm fruit with a good flavor, self-fertile variety with a resistant to cracking, ripen from early January. So ayan, may mga buds na siya oh. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan yung mga buds niya. Ready to flower.